Whiplash pain can be different from other types of injuries. When you have a severe car accident, the pain will usually come on right away. If the injury produces a mild or moderate sprain, it usually takes a few days or even weeks for the pain and inflammation to reach its maximum. Stiffness is the prominent symptom, and the patient notices this the first few weeks after the accident. The delay in pain is often seen in low-speed collisions, where typically there is less damage to the vehicles. There are a lot of factors that determine the extent of an injury following a low-speed accident, such as whiplash. One of these is the neck position prior to impact. Was your head turned? This can occur if the patient was looking at the rearview mirror during the collision. Low-speed collisions occur frequently in parking lots. If the patient had their head turned to see if a space was clear, this can make a simple trauma result in a significant injury. Besides the position of the patient prior to the collision, how fast the car was traveling and the amount of vehicle damage are sometimes good criteria for the severity of the trauma. However, it may not be in many cases because cars today have crumple zones. These areas are crushed during the collision and absorb more of the energy of the impact. In low-speed collisions, there is less crumple and more of the force is transmitted to the drivers and passengers. This is only one reason why vehicle damage won't always equate with the severity of spinal damage. Another factor to consider in whiplash is whether the headrest was properly positioned. A proper headrest should be close to the back of the head with its high point slightly above the top of the head. The reason for having the high position is that in the rear end collision, the driver who is being hit will rise out of the seat slightly with the impact. If the headrest is too low, then the neck will bend around it, causing even more injury. The same thing happens if the seat is reclined too far and the head whips backwards before hitting the headrest. Because symptoms can come on well after the accident and minor vehicle damage is not a good indicator of injury, a thorough examination is required. We feel it's important to be checked by a competent healthcare provider after any motor vehicle collision.